Today, we explore the top 5 must-visit castles in Scotland. For centuries, Scotland has held a place in our imaginations, a land of myths and legends, of fierce warriors and breathtaking scenery. And standing as silent sentinels throughout this land are the castles. Join me as we explore the legends and marvel at these magnificent structures.
Our journey begins in the heart of Scotland's capital city, atop an extinct volcano, Edinburgh Castle. This iconic fortress has stood the test of time, watching over the city for centuries. Visible from miles around, Edinburgh Castle has served as a royal residence, a military fortress, and a symbol of Scottish pride for over 1,000 years. The oldest part of the castle is St. Margaret's Chapel, dating back to the 12th century. It stands as a quiet sanctuary amidst the grandeur of the castle.
Within these walls, Scottish monarchs held court, strategized for battles, and sought refuge in times of conflict. The castle has witnessed countless sieges, changing hands between the Scots and the English throughout history. Today, the crown jewels are on display, symbols of Scottish heritage and history.
Edinburgh Castle is a living testament to the enduring spirit of Scotland. The panoramic views of the city below remind you of its historical significance and its role as a guardian of the city. Our journey takes us now to Stirling Castle, another iconic stronghold that has played a pivotal role in shaping Scotland's destiny. Strategically positioned on a volcanic crag, Stirling Castle commands breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Known as the Key to the Kingdom, Stirling Castle controlled the lowest crossing point of the River Forth.
The castle has witnessed some of Scotland's most significant battles, including the Wars of Independence. It was here that the legendary William Wallace defeated the English army in 1297, a victory that fueled the fires of Scottish independence. Within the castle walls, you'll find the Grand Palace of James V, built in the 16th century. Its ornate Renaissance architecture reflects the wealth and power of the Scottish court at the time.
Situated on a small tidal island at the meeting point of 3 lochs, Eilean Donan is one of the most photographed castles in Scotland.
Our journey takes us to the Western Highlands, where myth and reality intertwine at Eilean Donan Castle.
Don't be fooled by its romantic appearance. Eilean Donan has a dramatic history of battles and sieges.
Its fairy tale-like setting, with the castle's silhouette reflected in the still waters, captivates hearts and minds.
After a siege, the castle lay in ruins for nearly 200 years.
Built in the 13th century, it defended against Viking raids and played a role in the Jacobite risings.
Today, Eilean Donan stands as a testament to dedication, showcasing Scotland's rich heritage.
Our quest for Scotland's most captivating castles leads us to Loch Ness. Urquhart Castle, steeped in myth and legend, stands as a testament to the region's history. Overlooking the mysterious waters, it offers a glimpse into the past. The ruins date back to the 13th and 14th centuries. It played a key role in the Wars of Scottish independence. The legend of the Loch Ness monster adds an extra layer of mystery. The stunning views of the loch and surrounding mountains are breathtaking. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of the Cairngorms National Park, to a place synonymous with royalty and natural splendor, Balmoral Castle.
Purchased by Prince Albert for Queen Victoria, Balmoral quickly became a beloved retreat for the royal couple.
Balmoral is a working estate with a working farm and extensive grounds open to the public.
The castle is a magnificent example of Scottish baronial architecture, with its turrets, towers, and grand halls.
Balmoral Castle is more than just a royal residence. It's a place where history, nature, and royal tradition come together. Visit Balmoral and experience the timeless beauty of this royal retreat.
Our journey through Scotland's captivating castles ends here. Each castle reveals a unique chapter in Scotland's rich tapestry. Experience these stories firsthand. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring. Like and subscribe for more. Pause 1S. But wait, our adventure isn't over yet. This chapter will explore the hidden gems of Scotland's castles, diving into lesser-known but equally fascinating fortresses that are steeped in history and mystery. From the enigmatic ruins of Dunnottar Castle, perched high on a cliff overlooking the North Sea, to the secluded and picturesque Kilchurn Castle, nestled on the edge of Loch Ness, these hidden treasures offer a glimpse into Scotland's untold stories. Discover the haunting beauty of Urquhart Castle with its unique triangular design and the ancient allure of Castle Stalker standing proudly on a tidal islet. Each of these castles holds secrets waiting to be uncovered by the intrepid explorer. So, as you wander through Scotland, remember to seek out these hidden gems. They may not be as famous as Edinburgh or Stirling, but they are just as enchanting. Thank you for joining me on this extended journey. Keep exploring, and until next time, uncover the mysteries that lie in the shadows of history. Like and subscribe for more adventures. See you soon. Pause once. Let's explore the architectural marvels and historical significance of Scotland's hidden castles. Dunnottar Castle's cliffside location offers natural defense and breathtaking views. Kilchurn Castle, a Highland fortress, commands Loch Ness from its rocky peninsula. Urquhart Castle is renowned for its rare triangular design and moated fortress. Castle Stalker stands on a tidal islet in Loch Ness, rich in history. These hidden gems showcase Scotland's architectural prowess and historical significance. As we conclude our journey through the hidden gems and architectural marvels of Scotland, we reflect on the timeless beauty and enduring legacy of these magnificent structures. Each castle, with its unique story and historical significance, stands as a testament to the skill and vision of its builders. From the cliffside grandeur of Dunnottar Castle to the strategic elegance of Kilchurn Castle, from the rare triangular design of Urquhart Castle to the picturesque isolation of Castle Stalker, Scotland's castles offer a glimpse into a past filled with resilience, creativity, and splendor. These fortresses have withstood the test of time, weathering battles, sieges, and the elements. Yet they remain as symbols of Scotland's rich heritage and cultural pride. They invite us to step back in time and experience the history that shaped this remarkable land. I encourage you to explore these castles in person, to walk their ancient halls, and to immerse yourself in the stories etched into their walls. There is no better way to truly appreciate the grandeur and historical significance of these architectural marvels. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Scotland's hidden gems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep discovering the wonders of the past.